every time, falling in the worst way. You give all my favorite colors.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Rose. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the first time, don't make it your last, okay? I'm an Abuja based YouTuber. Welcome to this vlog. Alright, I'm starting off this vlog now. You can see I'm fully dressed. The time is around 10 a.m. I have an order I'm supposed to fulfill. The order came very late, like last night, a juicing order, and like I collected it because it's a customer. It's someone that normally, it's someone I know before. So I was able to rush overnight. It was a sleepless night, trying to meet up with the order. We're having issues with lights, but luckily, my inverter was able to work a bit, and my fridges are cold enough. In short, right now we're trying to hurry up with the oranges. Just left the oranges. So, but guess what? I'm out of bottles. So because the order came very late, by the time the order came, most marketplaces had closed, and I tried reaching out to my bottle seller, and she said she just left the shop. So I said, no problem. This morning I'll wake up and go. Guess what? This is to 10. The order is going to be picked up around 11 o'clock because it has to be delivered by 12. But guess what? We woke up this morning at 6 a.m. It became a very rainy day, like so freaking rainy. If you can hear in the background some sound, the rain is still, you can hear the rain is still falling. So as I'm here now, this bath up that I bath up, I'm about to enter into the rain. So I'm tired of waiting because the market was supposed to open around 9. I'm just taking a chance. I don't even know if the market would have opened. That's one. I've been calling my customer, her number is switched off. So there's a high chance that she's not yet at the market. That's two. So it's a gamble. I'm just going to first of all see if the market, some people who are, business minded or very business minded would have come out, despite the fact that it's raining. The rain has reduced, but it's still raining. So I'm just trying to see if she's not the only one that sells bottles. So if I can see any other person that sells bottles, then I will buy from them. There's a particular kind of bottle I use. So, but it's a Hail Mary actually. I'm keeping my fingers crossed, hoping that I don't go out in vain. Then the third issue and the biggest of them all, why I'm even backing up like this, is that because it's raining and because I'm running against time, this is exactly 10:30. To go to that market, come back, I'll spend nothing less than 1 hour. Order should be picked up by 11 o'clock. I'm just laughing at myself. So as it is now, I'm actually going outside to look for a bike. Yes. So I can't even drive to the market because, of course, needless to say, whenever it rains, the traffic is crazy. So it's well, fingers crossed, okay? Guys, pray for me. Okay, guys, so here I am walking under the rain and I've not yet seen any bike. So let's go.
Baby, you come for it, I'm all yours tonight. Hey, baby. Tea.
Let's put it for the cold. Guys, a day was hard. I just got back now. I somewhere I couldn't even bring out my phone to video. I had to climb back. It's well. I'll see you guys later.
Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning.
Okay guys, so I was able to meet up with delivery, though we were a little bit delayed. The delivery guy was supposed to pick up at 11:30 latest and deliver by 12, but he ran late, so he picked up late, which was good for me because I was just rushing to put everything, final touches and all that. So delivery reached the people by 12:49. So but I actually called ahead to let them know that I was running late. So that's what's up. So that's it though. I have another small order tomorrow. I'll carry you guys. I hope I'll remember to carry you guys along with that one, but I'll see you guys tomorrow, right? So a friend of mine contacted me to make some juices for a colleague of hers who lost the mom, and she was just trying to do something really nice and very sweet for her. So in addition to the juices, which she ordered, she also wanted to get her or make for her 2 bowls of soup, which was vegetable soup and also okra soup, just to do something really sweet for her. It was so touching, like it felt very sweet. So I was helping her, to do that as well, and that's this meal that I'm preparing. Guys, waiting they happen for Naija. This goat meat, I don't know if you people can appreciate how small this goat meat looks. It's really small. Do you guys believe it when I tell you that this goat meat is 7,000? 7,000 naira for 10 pieces of goat meat. It's well. This is 1 kilo of chicken, 4,000 naira. I spiced it over. I will do that one. This is chicken. This is 1 kilo of chicken. It has been spiced overnight. 1 kilo of chicken, 4,000 naira. Naija, we hail thee. This is shrimp. This is shrimps. All my shrimps lovers getting here. Una no tell me say this one na waiting una dey suffer, because this na suffer head. This is no enjoyment. This is shrimps. So shrimps like this, you can count the number of shrimps. This is 3,500 naira. This thing as well.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Turn this room, turn it to an ocean. Let me float around. Eyes closed, like we're dreaming even when we're not.
Hi guys, good morning. How you guys doing? How's your night? How's the day going? Hope you're doing great. If you're seeing my beautiful face for the first time, don't make it your last, alright? I'm a YouTuber based in Abuja, Nigeria, and I hope we'll have fun together, alright? So you guys can see what's going on in the background. The food, the chicken is on fire, the goat meat is on fire, the stockfish is on fire, the pomo has been cooked. So I'm just when it's ready, then I'll start making the soup. The okra is ready, the veggies are being prepared.
You and me got a whole other meaning, I don't know how. You and me just know how it feels when we're falling in love.
So now the chicken is ready and it's just remaining to be sauced.
Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you wanna say to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Like we can do nothing at all. So what? If you're stupid, then you know it's nothing wrong. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Show me there's nothing fake to me now. I wanna wake up with you in the morning. Say what you